神とかそういうものについてね、何も考えないでやってるでしょ。極めて不愉快ですよね。そんなに気持ち悪いものをやりたいなら勝手にやってればいいだけで、僕はこれを自分たちの仕事をつなげたいとは全然思いません。
This is Hayao Miyazaki. He is the man behind Studio Ghibli. Well, if you're not living under a rock, तो तुम्हें already पता होगा about the trend of making your images look like shots from the movies by Studio Ghibli using generative AI. And if you wanna know how to make them, I'll tell you. Don't worry, I'll tell you. But वो सारी चीजें वीडियो के एंडिंग में. लेकिन उससे पहले let's take a detour to Studio Ghibli, shall we?
基本的にまずこう面白い映画を作ることが目的で、それでスタッフに対してはもうそこにいる人間たちがちゃんと自分のやりたいでジブリが魅力がなくなった方がいいです。僕も真っ先にやりますから。
So many of you might not be familiar with the name Ghibli. या हो सकता है तुम familiar हो, तुम इस चैनल पे हो, and अगर तुम इस चैनल पे हो and you're watching me my videos, so maybe you know what Ghibli is, but maybe you don't, but you just want to partake in the event or the trend that is going on around about Ghibli and creating an AI generated image. So let me just fill you in. What is Studio Ghibli? This is Studio Ghibli. This 4 second of an absolute detailed masterpiece is just a fraction of Studio Ghibli, and this very beautiful hand-drawn sequence took more than a year to animate, not just a single prompt. Studio Ghibli is an animation studio based in Japan that was started in 1985 by Hayao Miyazaki and Isao Takata. You might think it just looks simple yet very beautiful, but it is not just that. It is years of experience, it is years of refinery, it is years of practice and well-made art. Years of hard work, just a scroll away, a click away, or just a prompt away. All the years of hard work down the drain. Maybe, maybe not. You know what? I have a master's in yapology and I'm just here to yap. I have nothing else to do. I'm just here to yap. I already have a lot on my plate, but I want to yap about it. I have not uploaded on my channel for ages, but I want to upload about this. I want to talk about this, so you have to hear about this. What I personally think and feel is AI generative art is bad. It is copying. It is straight out stealing from the artist. It is basically एक artist का हक मारना. बहुत सारी AI companies पे already बहुत सारे cases हो रखे हैं that they use artist का work to train their AI, and that too without any legal ownership over the arts or any permission from the artists. I'm not going to jump into how non-environmental friendly it is to run these generative AIs or how bad it is for the environment. I'm not here to pull a Greta Thunberg. But what I do care about is art, and these big companies need to be accountable for what they're doing. As if they're gonna hear me and they're gonna watch this video. No, they're not. But at least you need to be accountable of it. You, हाँ तुम, the person watching this video, तुम्हें accountable होना होगा. क्योंकि देखो, AI को train किया गया एक certain model पे एक example देके and कुछ चीजें उसे provide कर दी गई and उसे उसके ऊपर train किया गया. Let's take the current Ghibli trend for an example. Well, for the AI to generate these images, उसे सारी information feed की गई. And when you ask it, give it a prompt to create something that looks like a Ghibli movie, then it works on certain patterns. And it tries to replicate Ghibli ka work. But primarily the AI is not generating something of its own. It is just taking a piece from Ghibli and making it its own. It is not creative. It works on set patterns. And your ignorance towards it makes it even worse. आज Ghibli है, कल Disney, maybe कभी कुछ और, मे बी कभी तुम फ्यूचर में, who knows. And the sad part is AI कंपनीज के अगेंस्ट में इतने सारे केसेस हुए बाय आर्टिस्ट कि वो उनका आर्ट चोरी करके और अपने AI मॉडल्स को उन पे ट्रेन कर रहे हैं. एंड 2024 में AI कंपनीज ये केसेस हार गई थी. बट इवन आफ्टर लूजिंग दोस केसेस इट इज स्टिल हैपनिंग टिल डेट. एक आर्टिस्ट का आर्ट वर्क चोरी करना जस्ट फॉर अ ट्रेंड इज जस्ट
पैथेटिक थिंकिंग है.
और इससे अच्छा तो तुम ड्रीम 11 पे टीम ही बना लो. एटलीस्ट बस तुम्हारा घर बिकेगा. किसी आर्टिस्ट का लाइफ टाइम वर्थ ऑफ वर्क चोरी तो नहीं होगा. और ड्रीम 11 पे टीम बनाना सट्टा थोड़ी है. ये एक फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन है, वरना हमारे नेशनल प्लेयर्स इसके एड्स क्यों कर रहे होते.
प्लीज प्लीज सट्टा खेलो भाइयों, आपसे हाथ जोड़ के विनती है, खेलो प्लीज. अपना घर लगा दो पूरा उसमें, हारो लोन लो दोबारा खेलो, फिर आप एक बार जीतोगे सब बराबर हो जाए.
Anyways, you know, ages ago even I tried to make something that looked similar to a Ghibli art. I tried making Emma Watson from Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, I think. I don't think it turned out exactly like a Ghibli artwork, but I would much rather have this than whatever the generative bullshit is. I'm no artist. I'm the furthest thing away from an artist. But creative चीजें करना, the process of it is the fun part. Not just the result, but the process of it is a fun part. ये एक prompt type कर देना, उसके थ्रू कुछ generate कर देना, ये तुम्हें कुछ seconds की happiness दे देगा, ये तुम्हें कुछ देर के लिए fulfill कर देगा. But to actually create something, sit through it for hours and practice it, do it, and उसका result इतना अच्छा नहीं भी आया जितना ये prompt generate करके आ जा रहा है, फिर भी you would be happy about it. You would be fulfilled about it for maybe ages. I'm still happy about what I did. Creative होना हमारा काम है, मशीन का नहीं. Oh yeah, I guess we deviated a little. कहाँ थे हम? हाँ, AI companies versus artists. So August 2024 में ही AI companies हार गई to artists, क्योंकि artists के पास उन चीजों का copyright है. They are the sole owners of their artwork. And a man that says this.
自分たちの仕事をつなげたいとは全然思いません。極めて何か性に対する侮辱を感じます。
Think about it. एक ऐसा इंसान, एक इतना अच्छा आर्टिस्ट अपना आर्टवर्क किसी जनरेटिव एआई के लिए तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं ही देगा. And since we are on the page of accountability, let's talk creators, the influencers. जहाँ पे most of the dumb fucks just went with the trend and made their AI generated images. Our Badal Sama from Anime Cloud or BNF TV, wherever you know him from, quotes, any other studio would have been very happy if this Ghibli flying photos happened to them, but ironically it had to be Studio Ghibli. Well, I don't think so. Any studio would like the advertisement that comes from it, but here in this case most people don't even know what Ghibli is, so where's the advertisement? It is stealing. It is as if मैंने बादल समा की वीडियोस एक करके उठा ली और उसके बाद किसी फेस स्वैप एआई के थ्रू अपने चेहरे को उसके चेहरे से रिप्लेस कर दिया और उसके बाद उसे अपलोड करना शुरू कर दिया. Brother, you would be suing me for that. Well, most of the influencers hopping on this bandwagon don't know shit about Ghibli, but you do. You're based on pop culture. Your channel is based on pop culture and anime. And इसमें बस influencers का हाथ नहीं है, but big companies like Zomato and Blinkit also hopped on the bandwagon like, buddy, you can afford an artist. You can. ये सारी चीजें करना बस एक क्लिक दूर है, एक prompt दूर है. But let's not forget the hard work that goes into it. Studio Ghibli and Hayao Miyazaki's total dedication to making their artwork only hand drawn. This thing takes actual soul, not just a single click. These are just attempts by an AI to recreate what the lifetime worth of work by an artist is, and a generative AI is never gonna achieve that. And instead of that, you can actually support actual artists. Maybe someone like Usman Riaz, the man that made The Glass Worker. And if you don't know, The Glass Worker is a Pakistani animated movie. और अब मेरे को एंटी नेशनल मत बोलने चले आना for saying कि एक पाकिस्तानी animated movie अच्छी थी. I mean, it's an actual good movie. और उस movie में भी you can see Studio Ghibli का inspiration, cause the man actually worked for Disney and is very inspired by Studio Ghibli. And now for the main thing that you have been waiting for. How to create the Studio Ghibli images by using prompts. इतनी सब बातों के बाद, do you seriously think I'm gonna tell you how to make them through prompts? No. क्या तुम्हें मेरे पे सच में भरोसा था that I'm gonna tell you how to make them? Well, I can tell you how to make them. Draw करना शुरू कर दो. And if you did actually believe that I was gonna tell you how to make them, तो maybe I can become a politician. Vote me for prime minister. सबको free mangas. नहीं, उसके पहले तो CM होता ना. उसके पहले भी कुछ तो होता ना.
スタジオの将来ありますよ。やっていけなくなります。それはもう目に見えてる。それしもないです。どうにもならないです。ジブリなんて困ってさ、飛行機の名前で思いついたとか言ったんだから。こういう名詞。